Naomi Campbell. More Naomi Campbell, 105 of 174, the best Hot Ones guests ever, 770 of 843, the best actresses in film history, 157 of 225, the greatest black actresses of all time. Pharrell Williams. More Pharrell Williams, the best songs feat. Pharrell, 562 of 739, the best singers of all time, 199 of 269, the most trustworthy celebrities in the world. Kim Kardashian. More Kim Kardashian, be honest. What did you say to yourself when you heard Kim K was robbed? The worst things that have ever happened to Kim Kardashian. 5 of 50 celebrities were sick of in 2021. Bjrk. More Bjrk, 227 of 603, the best rock vocalists, 570 of 739. The best singers of all time, 133 of 213, the best current female singers. Miley Cyrus. Joan Namath. More Joan Namath, 524 of 904, celebrity death pool, 2021, 25 of 252. The best quarterbacks of all time, 1471 of 1816, the best athletes of all time. Nicki Minaj. More Nicki Minaj, the best Nicki Minaj songs, the best songs fort. Nicki Minaj, 45 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years. Kate Moss. More Kate Moss wild stories from the life of Kate Moss, the biggest supermodel of the 90s, 26 of 30, the most stunning celebrity wedding dresses, 58 of 69, the most stylish female celebrities. Kanye West. More Kanye West, the best Kanye West albums of all time, the best songs feat. Kanye West, 15 of 235, the greatest rappers of all time. Phoebe Buffay. More Phoebe Buffay, despite the laughs. Phoebe's backstory on Friends is pretty dark, 15 of 935, the greatest female TV characters of all time, 20 of 1288, the greatest TV characters of all time. Lindsay Lohan. More Lindsay Lohan, the best Lindsay Lohan movies, 653 of 904, celebrity death pool, 2021, 71, 119, the greatest 90s teen stars. Macklemore. More Macklemore, 132 of 235, the greatest rappers of all time, 119 of 191. The best new school rappers, 36 of 94, the best singers, who only need to go by one name. Penny Lane. Alessandra Ambrosio. More Alessandra Ambrosio, 95 of 264, the most beautiful women of 2021. Ranked 65 of 69, the most stylish female celebrities, 23 of 64, hottest Brazilian fashion models. Margot Tenenbaum. Joan Rivers. More Joan Rivers, 71 of 233, The funniest stand-up comedians of all time 171 of 339. The funniest people of all time 422 of 753 people. We wish we're still alive. Carrie Bradshaw. Or Carrie Bradshaw 575 of 935. The greatest female TV characters of all time 976 of 1288. The greatest TV characters of all time 43 of 737. The most annoying TV and film characters ever. Ikea Monkey. Cruella De Vil. More Cruella De Vil 91 of 876. The greatest movie villains of all time 5 of 262. The greatest female villains 30 of 68. The best Once Upon a Time characters.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.